How to fix Facebook Lite application not responding or not working. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily fix Facebook Lite application is not working or not responding. So if you open your Facebook Lite application and it's automatically closes down, or it displays the message saying it's not responding or something like that. So to fix that error, what you need to do is simply head over to your settings. Just locate your settings from over here. And once you click on settings, just scroll all the way down until you see the apps section. Just click on it. And from over here, you have to locate your Facebook Lite application. And just make sure you filter out your application. Just remember that Facebook Lite comes with L at the first section rather than F. So you can see it's represented by just Lite. So once you click on the application bar, you will be seeing this screen where you will have to scroll all the way down until you see storage option. So just click on it, and from over here just click on clear cache and clear data if you want, just like that. You may have to re-log in with your login credentials once you clear data on your Facebook Lite application, and just like that you will be successfully logged into your Facebook Lite application. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.